bacon onion jam. How can you go wrong with bacon onion jam? Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, you're gonna watch Micah's face and you're gonna hear me.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
It worked. Hi everyone, welcome to Micah's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make an exotic freaking sandwich comparison. I once again have my delicious moose meat, and this is moose minute steak on this side, and this is actually from Dokis moose minute steak from the beautiful Ivan. Thanks again, Ivan.
Beautiful Ivan. Shout out.
Shout out to Ivan. And then we have from Foodland, Ontario in Shelburne, just regular minute beef steak. And we're gonna make a comparison sandwich. I don't think it'll I think they're both gonna be delicious, but the moose steak is gonna go over the top. Way over there.
Well, not that I have a bias, bud, but I believe moose meat is the best meat on the planet.
It is quite delicious.
But there's no bias here. I have to try.
Is bias like bison or buffalo?
Bison.
Sorry.
What do you got going on here, buddy?
Okay, so in this sandwich, it looks complexity, but it's not. It's going to be a delight. What we have here is an onion bacon jam that I created.
Oh, yeah.
I chopped up 2 pounds of onions. I just used cooking onions. And then we cooked off a pound of bacon. I started cooking the onions and just let them reduce in a little oil. You can add sugar if you want, but I'm gonna show a video off to the side of these preparing themselves, and it took an hour to complete them. About 15 minutes left, I added the chopped up bacon and just let it finish off. And this is gonna top on the sandwich, but first on the sandwich, it'll be an olive oil and garlic bun, some arugula lettuce, some melted brie cheese, horseradish mayo, which is just any kind of mayo you like, and horseradish to season how you like. Then I thinly sliced some pears that I'm just about to caramelize with a little bit of butter, say about a tablespoon of butter, a couple teaspoons of brown sugar, a little shot of honey, maybe a teaspoon. And that's gonna go into the pan right now.
What do you got going on in there?
We're gonna melt our butter and our brown sugar.
Brown sugar and a little bit of honey in there.
A little bit of honey, brown sugar.
Yummy, yummy.
And this is just gonna take a couple minutes. Well, we're gonna crank the heat now. Ooh. And then we're gonna turn our heat up in our big pan now. What we have here, a little leftover bacon fat that we're gonna fry our steaks in.
Oh, you're talking my language. Bacon fat. I didn't think anybody else said bacon fat.
Oh, buddy. And this is all gonna happen at once here, right? So now we're gonna brush. Get over here. We're gonna brush our sandwiches.
I was.
Yeah, I know.
I was
like,
thinking about bacon fat. How can it be bad?
Now we're brushing here with our olive oil and garlic powder. You can season
garlic powder.
Yes, just
not fresh chopped garlic.
No, not today. We just we're doing this on the run.
I was wondering about that.
This is a zippity doo-dah, zippity yay, my oh my, what a wonderful day.
Oh yeah.
Plenty of sunshine running my way. Zippity doo-dah,
zippity yay.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna be generous, right?
Yeah.
And this should, by rights, go in the oven while the pears are finishing, and I put the minute steak on. It'll come out of the oven. We're gonna put the brie on, and this should all happen in just a few minutes.
Nice.
This is turning.
Like a come home at lunch from work deal.
Yep, look at that. Oh my God. I wish this was a smell cam.
Yeah,
my.
I can't. I'm smelling your pear.
Lots. Oh. There's a percolator butter up there.
How's that bacon
this
fat?
is bacon fat.
I don't think there's enough in there.
Well,
but I'm not the chef.
Well,
I'm the lover of bacon fat. And this is very healthy for you.
Just for you.
Thanks,
a little bit.
buddy.
Just a couple.
Yeah. This is good stuff for you.
Okay, our pan is getting hot.
I can hear it.
Our pears are getting hot. Soon we'll be able to just turn those off. Took the oven off, glove on for no reason. See that? Oh my goodness. I don't know what that is in there.
What, and you put that on what? The bottom rack?
Just put that on the bottom rack. Had something else going on for
At
another
350.
day. Yeah. Yes. But you can put that on, say at 400 or 425 for just a few minutes. I'm just doing it this way because I choose so.
Well, you gotta wait for those steaks to cook.
Yep. We got our little minute steaks in here, and they just got a little salt, pepper, bacon fat, and there is a little olive oil too. Have a look, see at that, Stevie.
Did you have to beat these steaks into a minute?
They came like that. No, this is how they came from Ivan. His butcher, Don the butcher, who's a local guy who processes all the moose, does a beautiful job with all the cuts that he does. Thank you, boss, Don.
Good.
Anyways, we'll give another shout out to the beautiful Bud and the beautiful Jess of the Joe Keys Marina and Restaurante,
Where you are the
where I will
culinary
creator.
the culinary engineer,
Our engineer, yes. Oh, look.
artist.
Artist. Look at them. Wow, these really are minute steaks. They weren't lying.
They look like they're cooked for me.
Yeah, we got to flip it though.
Oh, sorry.
So now our pear off.
And those pears,
Those are done.
those are done just like so. How do you know
Oh,
they're
we
done?
were ouch because they're soft and they're
Yeah.
really hot.
And when you put your finger on them,
Yep.
they burn you.
Yes. So now we turn the heat off. We'll just let them go. Got our little minute steak. I think maybe we'll melt our brie right on the minute.
I think that's a great idea. And
Remember,
save
this
time.
is the moose here on this side. My friends.
Just that nice cooked color.
I can basically turn this right down because it's going to finish. Like I said, this is all going to go at once.
Oh, there's our
You know
brie.
what? We're going to put our onion bacon right on there too.
Oh, why not? Micah, I say, why not? Right?
So this is going to be a layered, so we're only going to put it on the one because we got a lot going on with Sammy. We don't want to super overpower everything. And once again, this onion bacon, you can use it in sauces and it'll keep for a few weeks in your refrigerator.
I am actually great in like
Oh, but it lasts.
pasta.
Would it last a few weeks in your refrigerator?
Yeah.
Not
Nothing
just
lasts.
you, people out
nothing,
there too.
Nothing
Everyone out
lasts a
there.
few weeks in my refrigerator. It's like your refrigerator.
Yes.
You've got to buy leftovers, buddy.
Bio leftovers. Actually, nothing ever goes bio because we use it. Okay, we're gonna let these go for another minute and a half or so. Okay, now we're gonna put on our Brie cheese. Oh my, oh my.
This is a maneuver of.
We got like a creamed Brie cheese here,
Wow.
right on top of our onioni.
Oh. This is a very good idea.
That is a moose steak on the right here.
Just like Jack Tripper,
From Tree's Company, my
Aye.
friend.
Mr. Furley.
Okay, we're gonna take these out. Got a little toasted bun.
I love the way you're handling my buns.
I know, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
And jinxed enough.
Well, what are you doing there?
Now we're putting on a little horseradish mayo.
That is a nice spreading job. Beautiful. Now there is love going into that.
All right, everyone's happy with that. Can use a little arugulas. Can be real nice with that.
Mm.
I think this is going to be something crazy, friend.
I'm counting on it. I'm definitely counting on it.
You go. which one's the moose? Yes, we did. This is our moosey.
Oh, she's a double decker.
Oh, well, I'm not sure what I've created here. That is our regular
Beef.
the boeuf.
The minute steak.
I present the minute steak crazy beast.
All the pears. What gave you the idea for the pears?
Well, I've seen them on my friend Jason Grant, actually, a good buddy of mine from the East Coast. Made this on a pizza, like a blue cheese pizza with some caramelized pears in it.
Oh
Turned
my.
out just lovely. We've got two different kind of minute steak sandwiches.
Welcome.
That we have a caramelized. Dan, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Okay.
What are you up to today?
We're making sandwiches, and this is almost seems like this was set up, eh?
Yeah.
I swear on my mother's eyes that she just showed up. It's like she always knows when food is around. It's really weird, folks.
I know.
But anyways,
You've been asking
this
for
is
a
great.
beautiful
Oh,
taste
hello
tester.
there. Good to see you, bud. My hand's clean. Anything goes, so you just take a good bite, be messy
Yum,
with
yum,
it.
yum. Yum. Holy wow. We love messy. Messy's always good.
Oh yeah.
Mm, mm, mm. Mmm. 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 Lovely.
Okay, set that bite aside.
Mm-mm.
Set that bite aside, and then
No.
you're gonna. For the love of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. It's a Cape
Okay.
Breton trio. Jason taught me that too. Jason's teaching me a lot of good things lately.
What are they doing,
Okay,
Kate?
I'm
Brett?
getting back.
Drink, fight, and what?
I'm
Fart,
getting
fart.
back. I'm getting back to that one.
Okay, this is the other sandwich.
Okay. Sorry. This one is.
Yeah, this is the other meat sandwich. But we're gonna tell you which one. Which one do you think?
We want to know which
one
you
tastes
like.
better, or which one tastes? Do they taste the same, or? Because your timing was unbelievable. That you won't have a clue what happened there. Which one you
Oh
like?
wow. Wow.
Which one tastes better?
Mmm. This is a toughie. Mmm. Really tough. Really tough. I think the first one a little bit.
Oh.
Okay, now we'll let
Let
Steve.
me be the judge
Am I
of
being,
that.
am I being edited?
Oh.
Out.
No.
Oh, hold on, you.
Mmm.
Oh, Micah. This is a Micah first.
Mmm.
Okay.
Yummy.
Okay, well, I'll try this one first here.
Wow. Delish.
There we go.
Very delish.
Whoop, that was a one biter for Stevie.
Mm.
So delish.
Mm.
We're gonna give him a minute.
Mmm.
When it's tasty, it's got. Is it brick?
Well,
How about the pears?
Mmm.
I'll tell you. It's fantastic.
Mmm.
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing's overpowering.
Try what you gotta go for the other kind.
I took this one.
Oh, you went that side?
This is the one I took.
Oh, okay. Now you're going
Yeah,
this side.
delish.
Oh, sorry.
Delish. Delish.
Look at this. Look at the.
Nice job, Micah.
Oh man.
There we go.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Okay.
You like that one?
Which one?
You know what they are though too. Yeah.
Which
This
one?
was moose meat,
Oh.
and that was
Oh. Oh.
beef. You never had moose meat. Oh,
Oh.
that's
Oh.
hilarious. Oh, that's hilarious, Dan. Good.
Oh.
But you like though, right?
They're both moose meat or just
Nope. That one's regular ground beef.
Oh, surprise, surprise.
And that one's moose meat.
You picked the beef.
Wow.
Cheers.
All right, we're gonna cheers.
Cheers.
And thanks
Cheers.
everyone for
Thanks.
coming out today. And don't forget to
Yummy.
subscribe and like. And she really did just show up out of the blue with these sandwiches.